This video shows the elements of the upper rear door panel for the Jaguar E-Type fixed head coupe 2-seaters, as well as the 2+2 4-seater models. So if you opened up the rear hatch door from the outside on these E-Types, on the upper area there was a moulded black plastic panel originally in the cars, which was then trimmed in the material to match the main trim. So what I've got here is I've got the three elements. You got the vinyl material here, which is part of our rear door kit, which also includes obviously the main lower door panel, trimmed hardboard piece, as well as the small side panel piece. And then you get this loose piece here to recover either your original molded unit or the aftermarket unit, which is this piece here. So it's molded plastic. It's got a channel going around the back of it like that. And then this is how it's trimmed before it's inserted into the car. So it's trimmed all the way round on the upper edge there, and you can see that's the flange coming around there. And then on the lower edge, you continue it and you leave a flap there, which when you're putting into the car, some of it gets trimmed away, etc. But that's basically the three elements of it. So to clarify, the material there is part of our rear door kit, part of a three-piece kit. So this piece, which is loose, and then you have the trimmed rear door sections for the main lower part and the little side element. They're sold as a kit, or they are included as part of our trim kit. For an optional extra, we can actually supply you with the molded unit. So again, this is sold separately to the rear door kit and is not included in our trim kit. And then for an extra cost, we can do the basic trimming for you if you wish. And that'll be that unit there. See our website for more details.